I love this view and this time of day, and I wish the camera captured it, you know, as well as it looks to me, but can't get enough. Look how much that candy tuft glows. These tulips are taking forever to bloom, but it's about to happen. They're here and on either side of that path. Any second now. Phlox is really pretty. I moved it from a spot on the other end of Raspberry Lane with the first haul of 60 plants, one of the first videos I made, and I moved it here recently. This is the first time it's blooming here. And I also planted it by the new fence over there. And I planted these rhododendrons, one here and one here, off the sales rack at Lowe's. And I don't really see flower buds on this one. I just see new leaves. But on this one, oh yeah, same. I think just leaves this year. Here's the side yard. The Eric Ruth. Lettuce. I got these from my friend Sherry. I forget what they're called. Primrose? Evening? I don't know. And then Valen's Ajuga. And this side. There's the hibiscus from today. The clematis is spreading. The iris and the peonies are about to bloom. Hostas are open. Veronica, coral bells, more hostas, irises, campanula. I moved that, I think it's wild geranium from the backyard, and then weeds or thistle. Oh yeah, and there's a rose there. Butterfly, milkweed. Check out how big the hostas are. Also from my friend Sherry. And then the hydrangea from my friend Jill. It's totally taking. I think there's one. There's another one. Or no. There's one. Everything is glowing. Gossamer. More little guys filling in. It's Piglet. Here's the view from this side with a plane flying above. My phone's about to die, so bye, but bye. There's the allium, black tower elder berry, the orangey columbine, barlow, I don't know. And then the blue ones don't look that great, but the candy tuft does. Pincushion flower, Monarda from my friend Crystal. And then last but not least, the sweet autumn clematis. I broke a piece off today, trying to bend it in back there, but then we have these tulips that are also, we're still waiting on them. Oh. Lipstick strawberry, delicious, and artemisia. The other black tower elder and the aronia started flowering. Brilliantissima. So many flower buds. And then this is the purple leaf sand cherry. Already flowered. And then these are all from the allium. They spread. But I'm just gonna let them do their thing, see what happens. Maybe it'll help ward off mosquitoes. This is a red dragon ornamental hazelnut. And patio peach. Raspberries, this is fall gold, the best ever. Irises. And Isobar. And toad flax. And then false indigo, 3 of them. And then more raspberries. And then a blackberry somewhere. And then this is red currant. And then I have red gooseberries right here. They're already, I don't think I noticed that it flowered. That's a berry. And then these are berries. And then that is the arb that Matthew and I got from my friend Lynn. It's kind of got hurt over the winter back there. And then that's the Sum and Substance hosta. Gourd walk. This is the rhododendron that Valen saved from the trash at a nursery. I think it's gonna flower this year. It skipped last year. Gianna's garden needs help. But there's like erosion that messed it all up, and then a tree fell. Need to deal with that. Here's the boxwood. Something happened. This one got a little dry, but for the most part, it's happy. Jared mowed down the lemony lace elderberry that I planted here again. Came back many times, but I don't know if it's going to be back this time. And then there is a hellebore. Not hellebore. I forget. Yeah, hellebore. All the tulips are finally in bloom. They remind me of like a little family.